Today we are going to the Apple Pencil, its tips and tricks. It can be magnetically attached to the iPad. It comes with a Type-C charging port. Now let's see some tricks with the pencil itself. If you open the Quick Notes app on the iPad, you can do a lot of things in it. If you press the pen with the letter A, your handwriting will be converted into real text. If you want to add a space in between two words, make a line in between them and that will automatically create one. The same procedure goes for joining words. If you want to add a word in between two other words, you can press and hold and then type whatever you want to add. To delete a word, you can just scribble it out. To select a word, you can either circle it or strike a line across it. Now, if you go over to the settings and then to the option of Apple Pencil, you can see that this pencil is compatible with Scribble, a type of tutorial platform. You can see that there are many more options inside Scribble through which I am going through one by one, trying each one of the options carefully. This pencil also includes palm rejection on the iPad. The stylus along with the iPad is best for artists, whether they are beginners or professionals. This stylus is not too short or not too long when it comes to length. The pencil is also amazing for taking notes as it comes very handy. Students, teachers, and even kids can get used to its easy ways. This stylus is available on any shipping platform, including Amazon and one of the shops located in the UAE named as Shuraf DG. It's also amazing how other iPad accessories are always with a pencil holder, even making the stylus stand. And there you go, the whole review packed up in one video. Tune in next time for more videos and don't forget to subscribe.